Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel New Trending Fashion. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah give you more healthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you are waiting my latest video. So guys, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet cat bed, beautiful cat cave ideas. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish and beautiful ideas, fabulous crochet work, mind-blowing ideas, beautiful pattern, different variety, handmade knitting pattern, very nice, beautiful. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors. Please follow my channel, press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crochet work. Okay viewers, thanks for watching my video. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and take care for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.